Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What an honor to be able to come to be part of this historic moment of the representatives of the largest country on the continent, Nigeria, and to be with the Efiks who have shown themselves to be the leaders of charity and giving and making a difference and scholarships to change Nigeria and the world. I'm honored and privileged to be here. This is a mighty good happening, and I'm glad to be part of this happening. My brothers and sisters, I've come here tonight to honor you and to recognize you, to be able to affirm the importance of your participation in the city of Houston, Harris County, the state of Texas, and this nation. The Nigerian population in Houston and the surrounding areas is the largest outside of Nigeria and Brazil. We are larger than Atlanta. Don't let them say anything. And we have an economic force to be reckoned with. I'm honored and privileged to be here amongst those who serve us as lawyers and doctors, as athletes, as teachers, as business persons, as engineers, as leaders. And the community should know of your strength and the power that is in this room. I give you the respect for the power that is in this room. As a member of the United States Congress, I have worked extensively for Nigeria, working with them during Ebola when you did the greatest response of any Nigerian country, working during the Chibok girls, working on the debt relief, and working to ensure democracy prevails as you wish it to be and freedom. So, thank you so very much for giving me this small opportunity to affirm you, to congratulate you, and to be able to thank you for giving back, for investing, for changing the lives of young people, and now getting more money to do even better. Is that all right? So I will present this recognition and ask the leaders to come forward to be able to receive it. This congressional recognition, who will be receiving it? We're delighted to do so. I have two of them. Am I giving to two co-chairs or? I love it. Now this is even better. Divided and now you are united. Oh, somebody needs to shout now. Divided and now you are united. Look at the power in this room. It is my great privilege, forgive me, I've been using my voice all day, for the certificate of congressional recognition for the Efik National Association Incorporated on the 2023 Joint National Convention and Fundraising Gala. On behalf of the United States Congress, you are helping the diaspora, and your work reflects the pride that exemplifies the spirit of the United States of America and, of course, the spirit and love for Nigeria. Your efforts are most deserving of the respect, admiration, and commendation of the United States Congress, United States of America, Sheila Jackson Lee, Member of Congress, July 29, 2023. Efik National Association?
USA, yeah, that's us.
No, the one without USA.
Yeah, that's us. That's us.
You're USA?
No, Inc. USA. Inc.
Oh, he's trying to take both of them. Efik National Association Incorporated.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Some man on this side. And now, the Efik National Association USA Incorporated.
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
both of them now coming together in unity, creating the power of the diaspora and being able to give, turn it this way, and being able to give to so many people. Let's give them a rousing applause. They are deserving of the admiration of this nation and of the admiration and respect of the nation of Nigeria to make a difference. Your applause is not strong enough. I know people are getting their food, but you can do better than that. You can do better than that. If there was music, I'd hear a lot of shouting. Let me say elections count. May I have your attention? I've come a long way.
Ladies and gentlemen, Congresswoman Sheila Jackson has always been in all our events. I think it is time for the Nigerians, Americans in the House to stand up when the time comes for election to vote for the first Black American mayor of the city of Houston. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our next mayor. A round of applause for her, please. She'll be running for that office. And I declare it is a done deal, man. It's a done deal, man.
Let me, there's no one like him. Let me, you all need to know, he commands it. But I may be the only one that has gone, many of you know, to the University of Nigeria at Lagos in Ibadan. The only candidate running for mayor that studied in Nigeria. So, we'll have the opportunity to make history, and I want to know, are there people in this room that are going to go with me to take Houston into the future as an international city, recognizing all over the world what a great city this is? Can I see some hands and some people going to be with me? Elections count. So I thank